Figaro. Figaro. Is the shirt too small for you? Figaro. Figaro. Did you give me problems putting that shirt on you? Yeah. You seem pretty chill right now. You want us to get that shirt off of you soon?
Hi, Figaro. Figaro.
Yeah, talk to Mama.
Hi, baby.